How's she looking? Why?
Hey, come here.
What?
There's definitely a dead bird up there.
Oh yeah, I've parked it a few times.
Oh, really?
It's actually by the cage first. But you're such a man. Hear that bird? He's probably looking for his buddy.
Its wings are tore off.
Oh wow. That's cruel. It's like a murder. It's kind of creepy. That's really weird. That's like a scene like Seven.
Why did you do that?
Y'all are terrible at reality. Terrible. You're terrible at reality.
Sorry.
Quit looking at it!
I just didn't realize. Wasn't expecting to see a camera so